Welcome back to ASMR SHANA, the art of ear CL. Welcome back to ASMR SHANA. I'm so happy to have you here again. Today, we're diving into the world of ear cleaning, a soothing, refreshing process that helps keep your ears healthy and your hearing clear. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the best ways to care for your ears too. Before we begin, let's talk about earwax, or as some call it, cerumen. It might seem annoying, but did you know that earwax is actually your ear's natural protector? It traps dust, dirt, and bacteria, keeping your ears clean and healthy. But sometimes, too much wax builds up, causing blockages, discomfort, or even muffled hearing. Many people think using cotton swabs is the best way to clean their ears, but it's actually the worst. Cotton swabs push wax deeper, leading to blockages. And please, never use sharp objects like hairpins, tweezers, or paper clips. These can seriously damage your eardrum. Now, let's go over the best and safest ways to clean your ears. Use a warm, damp cloth to gently clean the outer ear. Drops, a few drops of olive oil, hydrogen peroxide, or store-bought ear drops can loosen stubborn wax. Using a bulb syringe, gently flush warm water into the ear and let it drain out. It's soothing and effective. Uncomfortable, visit a doctor or audiologist for a safe wax removal. If you experience ear pain, ringing, tinnitus, dizziness, or hearing loss, don't try to clean your ears at home, seek professional help instead. Your ears are delicate, and sometimes they need expert care. Ear cleaning should be gentle, relaxing, and safe. Your ears naturally clean themselves, so the best care is minimal intervention. Thank you for joining me today on ASMR SHANA. I hope you found this session both soothing and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more relaxing ASMR content.